Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, where we explore the intersection of affordability and modern living. Today, we're focusing on the smart and stylish world of two-bedroom manufactured homes. But before that, we want to ask your support. To make this channel grow, subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. These homes offer a practical and efficient solution for individuals and couples seeking comfortable living spaces without compromising on design. This isn't just about prefabricated housing. It's about crafting a personalized and functional home that meets the needs of modern lifestyles. What is the meaning of two-bedroom manufactured homes? Two-bedroom manufactured homes refer to residential structures built in a controlled factory, environment, and transported to their final location. These homes are designed with two bedrooms, offering a comfortable living space for individuals, couples, or small families. The two-bedroom aspect highlights the number of sleeping areas, while manufactured homes underscores the factory-built nature of these dwellings. They are constructed in compliance with the Federal Manufactured Home Construction and Safety Standards (HUD) code, ensuring quality and safety. It's about creating an efficient and cost-effective housing solution that provides the amenities and comfort of a traditional home. What are the benefits of choosing two-bedroom manufactured homes? Choosing two-bedroom manufactured homes offers numerous benefits. Firstly, the controlled factory environment ensures consistent quality and minimizes weather-related delays during construction. Secondly, the streamlined construction process significantly reduces building time and cost compared to traditional stick-built homes. The modular nature of manufactured homes allows for flexible design options and customization. Moreover, these homes often offer energy-efficient designs and sustainable materials, contributing to environmental consciousness. The compact layout of a two-bedroom home is ideal for individuals or couples seeking efficient living spaces. Finally, the affordability of manufactured homes makes homeownership more accessible. How to design your two-bedroom manufactured homes. Designing a visually appealing and functional two-bedroom manufactured home requires a focus on space planning, layout, and material selection. Start by creating an open floor plan that maximizes living space and minimizes wasted areas. Utilize large windows and skylights to maximize natural light and create a bright and airy atmosphere. Incorporate multifunctional furniture and built-in storage solutions to maximize efficiency. Use a neutral color palette with accent colors to add depth and interest. Choose durable and modern materials, such as laminate flooring, engineered wood, and sleek hardware. Pay attention to the details such as built-in closets, modern lighting fixtures, and well-chosen textiles. Don't overlook the importance of organization. A well-organized manufactured home feels larger and more comfortable. How to build two-bedroom manufactured homes with luxury facade. Achieving a luxurious facade for a two-bedroom manufactured home involves careful selection of premium materials and meticulous attention to detail. Consider using high-quality cladding materials such as architectural metal panels, natural stone veneer, or custom-designed wood siding. Incorporate architectural features such as a grand entrance, a wraparound porch, or a seamless glass wall. Enhance the curb appeal with professional landscaping, including mature trees, flowering shrubs, and well-maintained pathways. Utilize high-end outdoor lighting to highlight architectural features and create a warm, inviting ambiance. Consider adding a water feature or a sculpture to create a focal point. Pay attention to the details, such as custom hardware, decorative, trim, and seamless transitions between materials. Integrate smart home technology, such as automated lighting, climate control, and security systems. I-10 Best Two-Bedroom Manufactured Homes Ideas. The modern minimalist home features clean lines, large windows, and a minimalist design. Creates a bright and spacious living environment. The open concept family home incorporates an open floor plan with a spacious living area and gourmet kitchen. Ideal for entertaining guests. The lofted living space utilizes vertical space with a lofted bedroom or living area. Features high ceilings and exposed beams. The sustainable eco home incorporates eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems such as solar panels and rainwater harvesting. The ranch-style retreat features a single-story layout with a sprawling footprint, ideal for those seeking ease of access and spacious living. The coastal cottage designs a cozy and inviting living space with warm wood finishes and coastal accents. The urban infill home maximizes space in urban environments, utilizing efficient layouts and vertical space. The multifunctional micro home designs spaces that serve multiple purposes, such as a living room that transforms into a guest bedroom. The hobbyist's haven integrates spaces for hobbies like art studios or dedicated workshops into the living space. The custom-designed estate home builds a truly unique and personalized home with custom-designed interiors and high-end finishes. When designing a two-bedroom manufactured home, it's crucial to consider the needs and preferences of the homeowners. The layout should be designed to accommodate various activities, such as cooking, dining, relaxing, and entertaining. The bedrooms should be strategically located to provide privacy and comfort. The integration of storage solutions, such as built-in closets and shelving, can help to keep the home organized and clutter-free. Furthermore, the integration of smart home technology can enhance the functionality and comfort of a two-bedroom manufactured home. Automated lighting, climate control, and security systems can improve convenience and security. The use of sustainable materials and energy-efficient designs can also contribute to a more environmentally friendly home. When designing the interior, it's essential to consider the flow of traffic and the accessibility of the space. A well-designed, two-bedroom manufactured home should be easy to navigate, with clear pathways and adequate lighting. The use of universal design principles can ensure that the home is accessible to people of all ages and abilities. Finally, the two-bedroom manufactured home should reflect the personality and lifestyle of the homeowners. Whether it's a modern retreat or a cozy dwelling, the design should create a welcoming and comfortable space that embodies the unique character of the home. Two-bedroom manufactured homes offer a smart and stylish approach to modern living. At T Home Inspiration Studios, we want to show you the best in manufactured home design. By embracing the principles of thoughtful planning, quality materials, and meticulous attention to detail, you can create a home that enhances curb appeal, improves functionality, and reflects your personal style. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and inspiration on the latest trends in home design. Two-bedroom manufactured homes, manufactured home design, prefab homes, modern manufactured homes, affordable homes, factory-built homes, mobile homes, modular homes, manufactured home plans, small homes, efficient homes, manufactured home interiors, manufactured home exteriors, budget homes, residential manufacturing. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern manufactured house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you, and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.